Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important core Java concept, why string is immutable in Java. And honestly, this is a question that I myself have been asked many times in interviews. And it's also one of the most misunderstood topics among the beginners. So in this video, I'll explain it in a very simple way with examples so that you never get confused about this concept again. So first understand what does immutable means. Immutable simply means once an object is created, it cannot be changed. In Java, string objects are immutable. That means whenever you try to modify a string object, Java actually creates a new object instead of changing the existing one. So let's understand this with a memory of example. So if you see over here, I have created two string s1 and s2, which is a hello name. Okay. So if you see, so this is string s1 hello, string s2 hello. So most of the people in the beginner side, they will say that how many objects got created? Two objects they will say. But no, we'll understand this, how many objects got created and where it got created exactly. So this is the stack where we store the variable references. Okay, and this is the string constant pool where we store the string object when we create it using the literals. So s1 and s2, two variable got created in the stack, and hello, that object got created in the string constant pool area. S1 refers to hello, S2 also refers to the hello. There is no two object got created, only one hello is created and both are referring to the same. So if you see over here, I'll do little modification. So the same string s1 hello is there, but s2 is equal to what I did. I did the word concat to the s1 string. So what it does actually, if you see, this is the stack and this is the string constant pool. So now s1 and s1 is referring to hello. That's correct. The first one, what you understood. In the s2, now it comes to the stack in the stack as a variable references. Then now hello world, a different new whole new object got created in the string constant pool. It didn't change the hello world. It didn't change the hello world. It just created a new object of hello world. Okay, and s2 is referring to hello world because we have what we did here. S2 is equal to s1 plus a world. We did the concatenation. Let's understand this with the same example. String s1 is equal to hello. String s2 is also equal to hello. So now we will print both the strings. S1 and then we'll print the S2 also. If we run this, we could see the value of S1 and S2 both are hello. So now what I will do, I will make another string S3, which is a concatenation of S1 plus world. So you might be thinking that we are changing the S1, right? So let's print this one. This is S2 and this is S3. Okay. So now if you could see that my S1 is still hello because the original is not it, the original string is not yet changed, and the S2 is also hello because we have not yet changed, right, this one. Then whatever the concatenation we did to the S1 string, that we stored in the S2, sorry, that we stored in the S3. That's why the S3 value is hello world. So if I change this variable to S2, so what will happen? Now the value, whatever S1 plus world, the concatenation will happen. So that will be hello world. That's we understood. And that reference, that S2 will refer to that particular. Okay. Now if we see this one, our S2 value got changed and the S1 value is still as it is hello itself. One of the biggest reasons behind the string immutability is security. Strings are used to store the passwords, database URL, file path, and network connections. If string objects are mutable, any piece of code could change their values in the memory, right? Which would be a serious security risk. So, because strings are immutable, so we are able to keep our data safe. So, the second reason is performance and string pool. So Java uses a spatial memory, right, which is a string constant pool. And it when we try to create a new string object, so what it does, it looks for the value in the string constant pool. If it doesn't present, then it will create a new one. Otherwise, it will just refer to that old value itself only. So immutability makes the sharing safe. So if the strings were mutable, so suppose I have changed in the previous one, if you see that if I change the hello, then uh, make any risk in the S2 also, right? So changing one reference would affect all others, completely breaking the memory model. So the next reason is thread safety. So strings are naturally thread safe, so multiple threads can access the string object in the same time without any issues, and that object never gets changed. And the reason for is hashing and collection. So if you remember multiple times in the hashing means when we do define a hash map, in the key side we use the string because we know the strings were mutable, so their hash code could change after the insertion. If the strings were mutable, so what will happen? Their hash code could change after insertion. So data would become unreachable inside the collections, right? So immutability guarantees that hash code always remains the constant. So these are the four reasons why the string is immutable. So if this explanation helped you clearly understand why strings are immutable in Java, please like this video. In this next video, we are going to cover another extremely important interview topic, that is string pool and constant area in Java. So how Java stores strings in the memory, how it matters in the real object and interviews. So that we will discuss over there. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.